Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make a crispy, softy and everybody's favorite evening tea time snack. It is cutlet. So this cutlet we are going to make with aloo and sago. Aloo is nothing but potato, Tamil urlaikilangu. Sago is javarzi in Tamil. So with sago and potato, we are going to make cutlet, and let's go into the video and see how to make this aloo sago cutlet. So I am taking half a cup of sago javarzi in my measurement cup. Transfer this to a vessel. Wash and rinse it once or twice and soak it in water for minimum 1 hour. So I have taken 2 potatoes. According to size of potato, cut the potato into 2 halves or 4 halves. Wash and cut the potato. Pressure cook this for 3 whistles. Add enough water till the potato immerse. One big onion, finely chop it. Half a tablespoon of chili powder. Salt. Coriander leaves, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, finely chopped. Breadcrumbs. Now the potatoes are pressure cooked. Drain off the excess water. Peel the potatoes. Try to get a good quality potato. It gives more taste to cutlet. Mash the potato using masher, or you can use your hand also. Now slowly add one by one the ingredients. Add chili powder, 1 chopped big onion, salt, coriander leaves chopped, green chilies finely chopped. Drain the excess water from sago called as javarzi and add it to mashed potato. Mix it well nicely. See, now it is mixed well. If you want, you can add garam masala, chat masala, amachur powder, everything, but I didn't add. Now take a small amount of aloo sago, shape it as a ball and flatten it. After flattening it, dust it with breadcrumbs. Likewise, make patties with all the aloos which we have. You can even make a circle shape or square shape patties. So once all the patties are ready, you can refrigerate these patties for some time in fridge. You can keep this for a week also. Whenever you want, you can deep fry or shallow fry. Now patties are ready to fry. So in this video I am deep frying the patties. According to your kadai consistency, drop down 1 or 2 patties, flip both the sides, cook till it turns to golden brown. Once deep fried, the sago gives a melting type of consistency, and it would be very tasty to eat. Sure, from kids to adults, all would like this aloo sago cutlet. Ketchup is a good accompaniment for aloo sago cutlet. Please, if you like the video, subscribe, like and comment it. With this I was able to make 13 pieces of cutlet. Once the cutlets are cooked, you can remove the cutlet from oil and take it out in a wrapped tissue paper plate so that it removes the excess oil. Crispy, softy, yummy aloo sago cutlet is ready to serve.